for the system engineer rule, which is 3.6 LPA, okay, this is the sections you need to focus. In previously we have only 5 sections, but for 2025 batch, these 2 sections are added. That too, okay, verbal is very important. Section 3, 6, 7 are related to verbal. In mails, okay, they are mentioning this is some technical ability, but second section is quant, first is reasoning, verbal and Sudoku numerical puzzle test and English grammar test and English written test. This is nothing but essay writing fine. But see, the inputs what we got from the students who are attending for this Infosys drive, they said navigation between sections is allowed. Previously, first section completed, then only second section, second completed third section, third completed fourth section like that. Or else this question completed, then only next question like that. But recently we got the update, we have to check again, it may change. But they said navigation allowed. Means we can start first question, you can go to 20th question. Navigation allowed between questions and sections. Okay, you can go for, you can start any section and questions also you can start. Navigation allowed for questions and sections both. Right. Now let's see. This is the sample question or the question actually given in your Infosys previously for your seniors or maybe current right. Puzzle test. That section 5 numerical puzzle test. When elements are more in row wise, the logic will be in row only. You should see in that row, first row, 1, 2, 16, 64, there is some question mark here, 1, 6, 4, 9. Below is 2, 12, 8 question mark, right? So 2 question marks are there. So I hope you understand the logic. What is that? Middle row, double of that is below, which is 2, 12, 8, 18, right? Whereas a double of that is below, whereas above row is cube for that. 1 cube, 6 cube, 4 cube, 9 cube. So this is 729 and this is 18. 729 and 18. Right, so let's see about the next question. Numerical puzzle test, that section 5 example. Few questions are a bit easy in few sets, few questions are a bit difficult. So now let's say this is the question where we have 2, 1, 1, 7, 10, 11, 45, question mark 120. This is the question now. Now see about the logic. Numerical puzzle test, we have to play with that numbers. We have to identify the missing term. Yes, anyone solve? Answer 99, perfect. 99 is correct. So logic. This 45 is 7 plus 2 into 7 minus 2. 9 into 5. That column entire you observe. Now last column 120, 11 plus 1 into 11 minus 1. And now answer is nothing but 10 plus 1 into 10 minus 1, which is 99. This is coding and decoding question, okay, related to reasoning. So data sufficiency topic comes under reasoning. TCS important Accenture, they'll ask data sufficiency. Any company for namesake, they're asking this. And now here we have to find what is the code for Apple in the code language. For Apple, what is the code we need to calculate? And here we have two statements which is sufficient to answer that is what we have to identify. So apple is the fruit is written as SOMONO. The same language full of apple is written as MOJOKO. So using statement one alone can we answer or that's what the options are. One alone is sufficient, one and two together, two alone is sufficient, one alone or two alone is sufficient. Either are only one or only two, both together. So here we want apple. Okay, if you compare both of this, we have a common word called mo. Mo is nothing but called apple. So apple is nothing but mo. So both together we want to find it's nothing but m. So both statements together is what the answer. Option B is correct. Now let's try the next question. Answer 89. 110 or 115? 115. So here V is 22, it's forward coding directly, whereas if you try gift 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 20, whether it's 26 plus 16, 42, so we have to add. So 18, 1, 19, 19 and 22, we have 41, 41, 46, and then 16, 75, along with 21, 96, 96 plus 19, which is 150. In exam, they're not expecting people to write also, you can directly calculate. That's nothing wrong. Data sufficiency question, circular table, okay, 6 people arrangement. When you go for that 6 people arrangement in that circular table, one alone, two alone will try. If not, we'll go for together. Statement one alone, statement two alone. If not possible, then we'll try for together. So we have 6 slots. Now they're asking who is opposite to R. Statement 1 says that two persons sits between okay P and U. Fine. Okay, we are taking P here, U here, or U here, P here. Two people are between them. Next, there is the other point they mentioned. P sits immediate left of S. If P is here, S is here. And the other chance for statement 1. So 1 alone not possible, it's clear idea. With this, we are not able to crack one alone not possible, we can clearly understand. Even here, okay, this is P, and if P is here, U is here, U is immediate left of S. These are the two possibilities with statement one alone. One alone not possible, fine. Now two alone, is it possible or not? S sits opposite to T and sits second to the right of R. S is opposite to T and sits second to the right of R. So two alone also not possible, one alone not possible. We have to go for together. One alone not possible, two alone not possible. We have to go for together. Combining both. When we combine both, okay, this is already available. Now we required U and P. Okay, fine. They're asking R opposite or P opposite? R opposite, right? So now if we want to put U here, U is immediate left of S is not possible. We are going for together. When we go for together, simple point, go for together and we'll get a definite. Both together we'll get only one arrangement. Together only one arrangement will come. Already we fixed S and T here, R here. Now U is immediate left of S. P is immediate left of S. Sorry. P is immediate left of S. Then we have one more here. P and U are opposite. R opposite will be then Q. So together, who is opposite to R is possible, we can identify. Okay, then P is left of S means here I need to modify. P is left of S. P is left of S. Okay. Yeah, then this is what? Okay, alone not possible, together it's possible. We can decide all arrangement completed. Seating arrangement related question. In data sufficiency they asked, so put together we can answer. So we go with option B. Both statements together is necessary to answer the question. Alone not possible. So in a pie chart observation, A covers 17% of the area. So in pie chart, our total 360 degrees. That's equal to 100%. 360 degrees is 100%. Then 1% is nothing but 3.6 degrees. Here it is about 17 percentage. 17% means we'll get 3.6 multiplied by 17, which is 61.2. It's not 61.02. Option C. In pie chart, 360 degrees full cycle, total area, or in terms of percentage, 100%. This is a question just linked with percentage to angle. Yes, there is now. Okay. After doing the change, whatever they suggested in the question, then solving that, which of the options are correct? Sir, why in reasoning 15 questions, 25 minutes time they are giving? Only 15 questions, right? So why that 25 minutes time? Now this is what the reason. Okay, this question it will take time. All four options we need to work on. Okay, we have to check which of the options after doing the changes are correct. Now star is changed as division. Division changed to addition. Okay, fine. Now if you go for the first one, 20 minus 44 plus 11 divided by 3. A star is nothing but division here. Minus as multiplication into 3. Now this will give negative answer first of all. So how to do this calculation? Very important. See, 11 divided by 3 into 3. How to solve this is simple. First division then multiplication. This is actually like this. It will give 11 only. So 20 minus 44 plus 11, which is 31 minus 44. We got minus 13, but they given 30. Option A is wrong. Now if you go for B option, you just move into B option. A is not correct. If you check B, 106 minus 14 multiplied by 5 divided by 7 plus 20. Now see, this is actually 10. Yeah, answer B is correct. 106 minus 10 plus 20, which is 160. Sir, in this very important, lot of people will confuse while doing the question. Sir, as per bodmas rule, whenever there is multiple operations to apply, we agree we have to apply bodmas rule, mathematical operations. Bodmas rule to be applied, okay? But here, division first, multiplication next is no. Actually, both are same priority. Division, multiplication, same priority. Addition, subtraction, same priority. Which will come left side? Both come at a time means which is coming left side first we have to perform that. Here both came at a time. In fact, you can write it as 14 into 5 divided by 7. We can write it like that. So this is 7 2 times 2 into 5 is 10. Multiplication division both came at a time means okay, first perform the left side one, then we have to perform the next one. Here don't do 3 into 3 9, sir. If both come at a time, the same common term. Here 5 is common for multiplication and division both. First we have to apply when both come at a time, first apply the left side one. Left to right we have to. Then what about this one? So 11 divided by 3, you can see 3.666 something into 3, it will become 11 only. Then. That will compensate anyhow. So option B is correct. If you check this question, two dice are thrown, then the number of outcomes which show prime numbers on both the dice. When two dice are thrown, what is the total outcomes is nothing but 36. But here we want prime numbers. 36 is not the answer. Both dice outcomes must be prime. So first one should be prime number, second one should be prime number. So first one prime number, how many chances? Prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5. Here also 2, 3, 5. There is no rule. First die is showing 3, second die 3 should not be there. There is no such rule. 3 into 3, 9 is the answer. 9 outcomes is there which will show both prime numbers. What are those, sir? Let us say 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. These are 3. Similarly, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Among 36 outcomes, these are 9. Then similarly, 4, 2, 4, 3, sorry, not 4, 2, 5. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5. Not very difficult, but fine, still you can answer the question. So 9 is the answer. Two dice are thrown, then the number of outcomes which show prime numbers on both dice is 9. The frequency of observation is nothing but how many times that 5 came. So 1, 2, you can see. This is 3, 4, 5. So we got only 5 times. So we can answer option B. 5 is the one. So frequency of 5 in the observations is 5 times big. And this is again very easy. Probability of getting a whole number and throwing a dice. It's not dice. Probability of getting a whole number when a dice is thrown. 0, 1, 0 0.5, 0 0.2. It's very basic and easy question. Answer 1. Okay. So what are the number we are getting? It's definitely whole number only. So we can go with 1. Some people will think too much deeper, sir. Whole numbers means 0 onwards. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are a part of whole number, definitely. Whatever the numbers you are observing, all comes under whole numbers only. The numbers which is shown on dice all are whole numbers, so probability is nothing but 1. Probability of getting a whole number and throwing a dice is 1. The common instruction, this is given for every syllogism question. It should vary from, even it is commonly known fact, we cannot consider. Okay, you have to go with the statement only. So I know apples are not mangoes, but fine. But here with statements, we have to look into that and to decide which conclusion is true. What is the answer? All apples are mango, some mango are all go are mango, all apples are go. Neither one nor two. So as per the question, all apples are mango, some mango are, so all guava are mango, no. All apples are guava, no. Both fail. When both fail in one diagram, either are not come, only one not come. So now we can go for multiple diagrams, but here with one diagram itself, both are eliminated. And there is no such word called possibility, nothing like that. So we can go with neither one not. Again, syllogism question. Some balls are net. Okay. Some balls are net. No net is wall. So here, sir, okay, We go with some balls are not net. This is ball area, but not is in net. Second one correct, sir. As per this diagram. Next, okay, no balls is wet means some balls are not well also we can consider the first one correct. No ball is wet means no means we can take some not. Whenever no is there, some not is guaranteed. Fine, this is okay. Both true. No, it's not the answer. I'm just telling you with respect to this diagram. We'll see other diagram. Some balls are net. Some balls are net. No net is wall. No net is wall. Okay. Well, sorry. No net is well. So if we go in this way, but still net and well are not connected. Some balls are not wet. Some balls are not well. Here also we got both true as per this diagram. Let me know any diagram which this is failed. Both conclusions or one conclusion failed, second one okay. No means some not is allowed. Whenever no is there, some not is allowed. No boys, no boy is good. Then some boys are not good. We can take that. That's not an issue. But let's see where this is failed. First conclusion, second conclusion. We have only one follows, two follows, both, neither one nor two. Some balls are wet. They said some balls are not net. Here this is balls area which is not involved in net. Yes, any diagrams which is failing those conclusions. But directly I can say second one wrong actually. I'll let you know how. See, practically if you just think about this statement, some balls are net. You know about some balls? They are net. Remaining balls, you don't know about remaining balls. That remaining balls may be not net or remaining balls may be also red. See the conclusion, remaining balls are, this is R, not same. So I'm talking about remaining. Okay, again some means you may confuse. So remaining balls are net or remaining balls are not net. Let us say some boys, I know some boys are good because I know them, so some boys are good. Then remaining boys may be not good, remaining boys also good. Two chances are there. Then what will happen? Okay, if these balls are net, remaining balls also net, then the conclusion will be all balls are net. There is a possibility two outcomes will come for this statement. All balls are net or remaining balls means some, it's not all. Remaining balls means it's about some only, not all. This will result to some balls are not net. So there are two outcomes for this statement. Some balls are not net. There are two outcomes will come. So show me in diagram, sir. See in diagram, if I go for this B and N, what is this? What I can conclude from the diagram? B, and only one circle. All balls are net. All net are balls. Whenever all balls are net, we will consider some balls are net also correct. Now for this diagram, this is what the problem. I can go for all balls, I can go for some balls. So some balls may result to all also, chance is there. That's why a lot of people, okay, when they say, okay, some boys are good, it's not meaning remaining boys are not good. It's not meaning it. I don't know about them. I know about few boys, some people. Those boys are good. Remaining may be good, remaining may not be good. If remaining also good and these people good, then the result is all are good. remaining is not good or some of them is not good. Again, okay, again you may tell among remaining people, few are good, few are not good. This good and good combined, okay, some boys are good, this not good. We can club. You just need to think in a broader way. The sum balls are net result is a lot of people will think in that way. Whenever some x are y, it implies that some x are not y. No, that's a false one. I don't know about remaining. It can be all x are y, or it can be some x are not y. Try to make that point. So that's why the second one wrong. In diagrammatical way, that's what you cannot see it in a proper direction. That I'm mentioning here. Some balls are net. If I can go for this diagram, this is all balls are net. All net are balls. I can say whenever all is there, I can take some also. Some balls are net also possible. So then here issue will come. Okay, if you go for this one, yeah, this is C. This, I think you can understand some balls are net. For this is one area, this one. So remaining balls, this is not in net. Now this is issue, one more issue. For the same statement, I can give like this also. Some balls are net. Now what about the second statement? Second conclusion, sorry, second conclusion element, first conclusion. Some balls are not well. That's true only. You try any diagram, even it's B and N combined also. No net is well. Now, balls are, no balls is well. No ball is well also, some is taken. Some balls are not. Some not. Whenever all is there, we can take some. Whenever no is there, we can take some not. Some balls are not well. Whenever no is there, we can go for some not. Whenever all is there, we can go for some. So only conclusion one follows, not second one. Don't go for both. Okay, many will opt both, but problem here we need to think in a deeper direction. Still, many people may not understand what is the result of this. This statement meaning it can goes to two ways. Fine. So let's see about this question, this theory question. Now try this question. 419 represents 6, 748 represent 5, 695 represent 8, then 241 represents what? Options 9437. 3. So what's the logic? Yeah, 9. Okay, 4. 9 plus 10. 10 plus 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, good. Good. Then here, that is the case. 5 minus 2. Here, if you observe A, B, C, the answer what they are giving is B plus C minus A. 1 plus 9 minus 4. This is 4 plus 8 minus 7. Here 9 plus 5 minus 6. 4 plus 1 minus 2. Typical logic you can follow here. B plus C minus C. 1 plus 9 minus 4. 4 plus 8 minus 7. 9 plus 5 minus 6. Option C is correct. Right, so let's see about the next question. They given fx is nothing but O. Analogy concept, this is reasoning. AS is what is the question? Analogy concept. We have to check the pair, first pair how it is linked, then we have to apply for the next pair. So answer J. Perfect. J is the correct answer. So adding those to divide by 2. 6 and 24, adding those to divide by 2 is 15. O is 15. A is 1, S is 19. Adding those to divide by 2, we got 10. J is nothing but equal to 10. Add those two, divide by 2. So J, option A is correct. Now look into this question. So data sufficiency again. So on which day of the week is the marathon? So we have Monday to Sunday. It's not happened on weekends. They mention statement one alone. Matches are on Monday and Tuesday. Marathon is not on Monday. Marathon is neither on the day before weekend nor on the next day after match. So one alone, two alone, or together. We have Monday, Tuesday all together. Not on weekends means which are eliminated. Saturday and Sunday eliminated. Okay. That's using statement one alone. Statement one alone we are trying now. And the other data they given is matches are on Monday and Tuesday. Marathon is not on Monday. Matches are on Monday and Tuesday. Statement one alone, if you see, matches are on Monday and Tuesday. Marathon is not on Monday. Okay, but still there are chances Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even all. Okay, statement one alone not possible. Now we go for statement two alone. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, if you look into that statement 2 alone, marathon is neither on the day before weekend nor on the day next day after match. Not on next day after match. Matches is on, but that is using statement 1, right? If we try 2 alone, we cannot go with that. So, only thing on the day before weekend. Okay, weekend before. So, Friday, Saturday, gone. Only those two will be gone. Using statement 2 alone, weekends are Saturday and Sunday. On the day before, one day before, right? On the day before weekend. So weekend before. Weekends are, as you mentioned, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday before Friday gone, Sunday before Saturday gone. Before weekend, on the day before weekend. So it will be complete. Or else only Friday gone. Now, together if you just go ahead, together if you just work on. Now in statement 2, there is one more idea of weekends not possible using statement 1. And day before the weekend also not possible. Monday not possible. Matches are on Monday and Tuesday, they said. One day after matches also, yeah. On the next day after match also not possible. So Monday and Tuesday are matches. Monday next day, Monday match is there. Monday next day, Tuesday not possible. Tuesday match is there. Tuesday next day. So marathon is scheduled only on Thursday. So we can handle this question using two statements together. Problem here in option they're not given. Two statements together not possible is not given. I think first option is one alone, while two alone is not possible. D is both. C is two alone, while one is not possible. D is either one or two. They didn't give the option regarding both statements together not sufficient is not given here among the options. So there is a possibility we have to complete it. So that's what you can understand. All done. Thursday is the answer. So on which day of the week is marathon? So this is question for this is a common data for every data sufficiency question. First three questions we can ignore. Three lines, but this is what. On which day of the week is marathon? So on the given. Okay, it's not on weekend, it's not on Monday, and day before weekend, day after that match is also not possible. So right, so if you see this now, only few fruits means it's very crystal clear that some fruits, it's all about some only, not all. Some fruits are vegetable, all vegetable are grocery. Now, all fruits are grocery is a possibility. Possibility means satisfying. One diagram also okay. Possibility, if they use the word possibility, if it satisfies one diagram also should consider. No sir, I draw like this. Yeah, some people will argue, yeah, my diagram is like this, some fruits are vegetable, some, it's only few means only few, we cannot go for all. And all vegetables are grocery, I'm going in this way. Some of you may be drawing like this, sir. Some fruits are vegetable, all vegetable are grocery, we can go like this, sir. Yes, fine. Now, as per this, first statement, all fruits are grocery is not possible. First conclusion wrong. Second conclusion, some fruits are not vegetable. Yeah, this is fruits, which is not in vegetable. Some fruits are not vegetable. Yeah, eliminated. It's correct only, sorry. Now, obviously, in fact, from the statement, we can take second one true. They clearly mention only few fruits are, that's clearly there in the question. Only few are vegetable. Remaining fruits are obviously not vegetable. But if they're given directly, some fruits are vegetable, we cannot say remaining fruits are not vegetable. It may be or may not be. But here clearly few, only few, only few boys are good means remaining maybe not. So there is a clarity. I think second one we can go, but first one, when there is a word called possibility, when there is a word called possibility, satisfying one diagram also okay. So here it's eliminated. Here second one true, first one also true here. Some fruits are vegetables, only few fruits are vegetables, let it be. Okay, all vegetables are grocery. Now, all fruits are grocery is there. Whenever there is a possibility word satisfying one diagram also we should consider. Generally conclusion means true in all diagrams. Conclusion is true in all diagrams. But when there is a word called possibility, one diagram satisfying also we should take it consider. So option C is correct. Now I think you are comfortable with the series related question. Just series one next. 874, 224, 115, plan 32. Only few. Only few is clearly mentioned, not all fruits or vegetables in previous question. Now is it increasing or decreasing? Series. Decreasing series. When it is decreasing, is it fast decreasing or slow decreasing? We have to see. If it is slow decreasing, take difference between numbers. If it is slow decreasing, take difference between numbers. Then if that is the case, what is the difference here? 433. Here difference 217. Perfect. Then here difference is 1. Yeah, I think it's in fact we can do multiplication related also if you see in this reverse way. Or maybe I think that's what the issue. If you write it in reverse, then you may see these things in multiplication correction easily. What is 115 two times? 115 two times. 230 minus 6. 224 two times. 440 minus 7. 441 two times. 882, but they given 874 minus 8. So here double minus 5 means 120 means this is 60. This is double minus 4. That's one thing. Or else, sir, why can't you do directly here? Yes, you can do directly also, this division type also. What is 874 divided by 2? Divided by 2, 874 divided by 2. 437 plus 4. Divide by 2 plus 4. Okay, here divide by 2 you might not understand because 441 odd number divided by 2 is again issue. Okay, then this is the easy. Write it in reverse. Double minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, it's 60. This question straightforward is a bit difficult. I think this is number series. Yeah, this topic also mathematical operations and bit easy compared to one of the questions which we discussed earlier. If you observe this, okay, as per the question, okay, A means subtraction, B means multiplication, then 49, D means division, and then C means addition. Right, so division both master, whenever multiple operations both master, so 90 minus 56 plus 34. So we get answer. That's what we have a problem. 68, 17 both are given. We have to be careful. 68 is correct. 34 plus 34. 68. By default, both master we need to apply. You don't say in question they have to mention no. Whenever multiple operations are there, we have to apply it. Your answer 157. Good question. A at the rate B. Your logic is A into B plus 1. Do multiplication, then plus 1. Everything you try, this is 7 multiplied by 8 plus 1. And here this is 4 multiplied by 6 plus 1. A multiplied by B, then doing plus 1 is the logic. So 13 multiplied by 12, 156. 156 plus 1 is 157. Option D is correct. Coding and decoding related question. APOCAN Anil was coming. OSOCPD Anju is coming. OEABIT means Anil has visited, and ODPAIT means Mohan has house. What does it mean? It word code. It. It's a question. What does it mean in this? So it is there in which lines? Last two, right? So if we compare it IT, right? So common in these two is only has. So option C. If you see the flow, you may confuse, but it mean what does it mean means nothing but has. It is there in last two lines. No need of first one. Anil was coming, Anju is coming. That's not required. We can directly attack these two and we can answer. So which two signs you need to interchange so that the equation is correct? Means we have to get 28. See, if we apply directly this question or solving this question, it won't result to 28. You need to change interchange means let's see. For example, if they give option B, plus and minus interchange means wherever plus is there, you have to keep minus in place of minus plus. They said the word interchange. Interchange is mentioned, plus means minus, minus means plus, we need to substitute. If suppose you want to do that, if let us say as per option B, then here as per the question 42 minus 96 multiplied by 4 divide by 3 minus means plus, plus means minus. This is 42 plus 32 into 4 is 128. 128 minus 58 is 70. We got 112. It's not option B. Option D for Delhi. As per D, first division, multiplication as addition. D option. Multiplication as division, division as multiplication. Okay, then 42 minus 72 minus 30 minus 30 plus 58 is 28. Correct. D is correct. Division as multiplication, multiplication as division. 96 divided by 4, 24. 24 into 3, 72. 42 minus 70, or else 42 plus 58 is 100. 100 minus 72 is 50. 28. 100 minus 72. Yeah, when we compare the given info, so what is the common things available is intelligent in first and next one. Intelligent is common, fine. So what is the word related to that? EAM. So intelligent means EAM. I'm writing only two letters. So EAM, fine. Next, if you observe that second and this one, this smart or smart. See, R smart means definitely if you just compare Sam, Lam, EAM means intelligent or smart. Intelligent means EAM gone. R smart means definitely these two will take what words? QAM, KAM. These two are mandatory in options. It can be shuffled order. We're not talking about the order. If you just observe this point, R smart means QAM, KAM. What are the order it may be? I don't worry. So I want QAM, KAM in the options. So except this C, remaining all are having QAM and KAM. What else is there? Stupid. Stupid means it may be LAM, CAM, SAM. Okay, all LAM, CAM, SM, that's what they kept. Now we have to compare. Preetham is, if you see the first line, Preetham is intelligent. Now they are claiming Preetham is stupid. So at the first year btech, Preetham is intelligent. By the end of btech, Preetham is stupid. It become like so. LAM, SAM is common. Here also Preetham is LAM, SAM. So obviously stupid means nothing but CAM. So I want these three in options, but order is not an issue. So it's available in only option A. Order is not a problem. I'm not talking about order. Okay, we not crack that, but only things these words are required in the options that's available only option A. So here 3 plus 4 is 5. Here plus means not addition. They are doing some operation that should decode. It's like x plus y means as per this question, we have to do squaring and then adding and then square root of that. So root of x square plus y square, which is 25. Root of 3 square plus 4 square is 5. Root of 5 square plus 2 square is 30. So square root of 7 square plus 24 square. What is 9 and 4? 40. 9 plus 40 is 41. 41. 9 square plus 40 square is 41 square. That's also one of the triplet. 3, 4, 5 by the theorem satisfaction is 5, 12, 13, 7, 24. One among that is 9 and 40 also. 9 square plus 40 square will be 41 square. Divisible by 3. So for divisible by 3, sum of digits must be satisfied. Here, and to save the time, what you can do? No need to do sum again. So 3 is divisible by 3, no need to calculate. 4 plus 5 is 9, divisible by 3, no need to calculate. So sum must be equal to 4 plus z. If you want sum of digits, z must be equal to 2. In fact, z value 6 also correct. Sorry, 5. Z value 5 also correct. If z is 5, 4 plus 5, 9, divisible by 3 only. Z value 2 possible, Z value 5 possible, 8 also possible. If they ask what is the maximum value Z can take, satisfy, okay, 2 divisible by 3 means we have to go for 8. Minimum value is 2, maximum value is 8. Or sometimes some companies they'll ask you, what are the all possible values of Z? Do the summation of that. This is very basic point, but you can develop questions like that. What is the product of the values, which is possible values for Z? Do the product of that, do the summation of that. That's all possible things. We have Z to 258, all are possible. Here option B only. Fine, but this is the other way of thinking about the question. Do entire summation. Some people are still worrying about why you cancel that. Okay, you do entire summation also. 7, 11, 16. 16 plus Z. That's also fine. 16 plus 2 is 18, divisible by 3. Okay, 16 plus 5, 21, divisible by 3. 16 plus 8, 24, divisible by 3. Why can't Z value 11? Why can't Z value minus 1? If we take Z value minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, divisible by 3, then why can't Z value minus 1? Options not there. Options are given. Okay, but still problem is it is in hundreds place. In a 5-digit number, Z is in hundreds place. Z must be from 0 to 9. Don't go for Z value 11 also. Z value 11, 6 plus 16 plus 11, 27 divided by 3. Here Z value 11, 4 plus 11, 15 divided by 3. But it's not allowed because it's a digit. Hundreds place 0 to 9 only. So here they given C means addition, B is subtraction, A is division, D is multiplication. So as per both rule, first we have to perform division. So we'll get 4, then 2. Yeah, 51 minus 8, which is nothing but 43. Option A is correct.